super special guest who teaches us how to be strong and effectively play soccer. She is Marta Agarin champion. Marta, thank you so much for being with us tonight. What is your favorite food to have lost energy?
I love fruits. I like mango and banana and Hawaii. Add vegetable at every meal.
How many water? How many water do you drink daily to be able to run so much?
Otherwise, car, me valuable buddy is my best friend and team field.
What do you when you are not training?
I like to spend time with my family, listen to music, and of course, play a little more social with friends.
What is important to exercise every day?
Exercise make it to help concentrate with in school and make it so happy, very happy.
What advice do you guys to check what wants to be strong and healthy?
Drinks lots of water and never stop playing and having fun.
Thank you, Marta, for sharing your experience of strength and heat with us. Remember, eat with and play long. See you next time.